morning, you guys. A new day, a new shoot. I have just reached the location and the outfit is very cute, very pretty. So basically it's a restaurant. I'm very excited actually. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
2, 3 and go. Okay. 2, 3 and go.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a shoot day in my life. Well, I recently celebrated my birthday and for my birthday I did a very special shoot which I uploaded on my Instagram. So if you guys haven't watched the video, I'll link the video in the description below. But if you guys have watched it, you will get an idea of what today's video is about. So basically today's video is all about everything that went behind that shoot. I have vlogged the entire shoot day which you guys will see in a while. But before that, I want to explain to you guys the thought that I had behind creating this particular birthday video. Basically, I did not wanted this teaser to be like a general birthday shoot. I wanted it to be something special, something that I can relate to, something that reflects my feelings and my personality. So I wanted it to have that personal touch. I just did some introspection. I looked back at my life and I was really amazed to see myself growing so much this year. Currently, I have been into the phase of my life where I can actually feel the growth. I can see myself at a better place. I can feel better at a stage where I'm blooming into a better version of myself. And I thought, why not reflect the same thing into my birthday video? Then I started thinking about all the things that I can use in my video that will represent growth or blooming. And then suddenly I thought, why not use flowers? I love flowers in general and I feel really inspired by the way it blooms from a bird to a flower. So I was like, this is exactly what I want. And the way this symbolizes growth was something that I could relate to my life as well. So this is how I finalized using flowers in my shoot. But I have already used a lot of flowers or bouquets in my shoots, so I did not wanted to use just flowers as a prop. I wanted to do something special, something grand, something that could give the glow on my face and I feel the happiest. Then I started ideating some different ideas but related to flowers. While ideating, I went on to Pinterest obviously, and I started looking out for some references like outfit reference, nails. I even started finding few props that I can use or different accessories that I probably can use. I'll quickly pop up the mood board that I created for you guys, and I love the way how my vision was actually converted into the mood board. So as I said earlier, I did not wanted to use flowers or bouquets in this shoot. So then I thought, why not actually have an outfit full of flowers or full of floral print. But I was little skeptical about this idea because I know that it's really difficult to find an outfit, especially a gown that has all flowers or that is like so princessy and so cute and has flowers all over. I knew for a fact that it's going to be very tough to find an outfit that I have imagined in my head. Either I have to like get it stitched, like make it from scratch, or I have to put a lot of efforts into finding a perfect outfit for this shoot. Anyways, now that I knew what exactly I wanted, I was already feeling very excited about the shoot because I was very clear in my head what exactly I wanted. I started finding outfits that can match my vision, and then I remember seeing a pretty outfit on Instagram, like somewhere on Instagram I remembered vaguely. So I put in hours and hours to find that outfit, and when I did, the next moment I sent it to my makeup artist. By the way, a huge shout out to my makeup artist. I'll talk about her in a while. Now coming back to the outfit, I think it was love at the first sight and we both agreed on the outfit. We finalized it and luckily we got the outfit, which again you will see in a while, so stay tuned. So now that you guys know the idea, the concept and the gist behind this birthday shoot, I'll quickly roll up all the clips that I had shot on the day, basically the vlog that I did. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video.
I've just reached the location. Let me show you guys how beautiful is this place. Let's quickly have a tour. So this is how the place looks like. It's basically a restaurant attached with a banquet. It's a very pretty and calm place. The best thing about this place is the splash of greenery that is everywhere around you. Then this is the beautiful dine-in where they have this pretty floral setup. Then right behind they have this outdoor dining area, which is again connected to a garden which is full of greenery and beautiful setups, which I'll talk about in a while. Right after the exterior space, this is their restaurant. So this is basically an outdoor dining only, which is attached to the indoor sitting area of the restaurant. And the plus point of this area, the main attraction, are these lights. Giving you a quick look of this lobby. How pretty is this lobby? Well, after they'll turn these chandeliers on, I'll try to capture the shot. This is the outdoor area. As you can see, there are all trees and the landscaping is done very well. Then these are like few of the props where we can shoot. So basically this is like a backdrop, so this is like a good location to shoot. And then there is this like auto rickshaw situation happening where there is like flower decor done, which is like pretty good. So yeah, this is like another corner. Here are the washrooms. Then there is like this lobby, which I'm very impressed with. Just look at the lobby. It's all white and golden themed. As you can see, it's very pretty looking lobby. They lit these chandeliers which are not on right now. I'm quite excited. I think I'll click more pictures here today. It's what I'm having today for breakfast. Some upma and pistas. So yeah, let's go grab some breakfast with this view and I'll see you after that. I just love doing early morning shoots. The freshness, the morning sunlight is something different, and you have different kind of energy in the morning. It feels good to kickstart the day with doing something that you enjoy and you love doing. So yeah, very excited for today's shoot. I hope it turns out the way I imagined. I think it will. I'm quite sure. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you guys how the outfit looks like. It's a pretty floral gown. Today's outfit has to be like one of my most favorite outfit. I have been eyeing for this outfit since quite a long time. Finally getting the chance to shoot in it. I think we are going for a nude look today, like nude makeup look with like brown nude lipstick or maybe a bold lip. I don't know. Let's see. I'll see the outfit and we'll figure it out with my makeup artist. So yeah, that's what we have planned for today. Let's quickly get started with hair, then makeup. So instead of doing hair, we decided to do makeup first. So right after the skin prep was done, she started with my eye makeup. I was very specific about the eye makeup. I wanted it to match my dress but be as minimal as possible. By the way, meet my makeup artist Rupali. She is one of the most kindest and most talented makeup artist I've ever worked with. Trust me guys, she was there with me since the beginning of this shoot, like since the ideation days till the last photo shoot. She took a lot of efforts into making sure that the makeup, the outfit, everything is on point and the way I want it to be. And look at the way she created this look on me. It was looking so pretty. The camera clearly couldn't do the justice. We kept the entire look very simple. I just love the way the entire look was turned out. Doing dramatic eyes and just adding a little bit of hair accessories elevated the whole look to another level. Oh, I did not show you my nails. Actually, I was very clear on what I wanted. I wanted something very basic, very minimal. So I got this pretty nail set from an Instagram store that I will pop on the screen. Finally, as soon as I got ready, I went for the shoot.
2, 3 and go. Roll. Okay.
Okay, so finally it's time to show you guys the final results. I'm very nervous. Please let me know your thoughts about this shoot. I hope you are excited to see it and I hope you like it. So popping up all the content that we shot right now. your thoughts about this particular shoot in the comments below. I'm very excited to know your thoughts. And I think that's it for today's video. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please do subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm quite active there. Well, I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, toodles.